Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. My name is Rob. We are currently on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. We are going to check out our Breezy balcony, stateroom 7278. Let's go. So as you come in the door, obviously at the back you have your safety information, including where your muster station is, how to put on a life jacket. You have your master switch here. This does not require a key. Something I thought was really cool, they actually have your attendants here, their names, so you can kind of get to know them a little bit before you actually meet them. So we have the traditional 3 cabinets of hanging storage. Long hanging storage, and then this is the one that has the shelves. Now the shelves do move out of the way if you needed them to. They just go up like that and you can lock them in place. Actually this actually goes over here. Okay, wow, there you go. Perfect. Okay, back to this. You have your life jackets, a safe that's operated by your card, slide it in and out. This is your laundry service, so if you want to do that. And then you have a full-length mirror for looking at a very handsome young man. That's me. Across here we do have some towel hooks, which is nice. We have the light to the bathroom and the bathroom. This is a very standard shower curtain. Not a big fan, but you and me are in here together now. How does that make you feel? It's not bad. This reminds me of the Freedom that I was on with my sister in September. This is the same style layout. So you have your sink, you have a couple of shelves, lots of towels, and a toilet. Coming back out into the main room. And then here on the right, we have a couch with a light, nice little reading light. I love the theming. If you know, this is very similar to our logo for our channel. It's nice to have this really nice big couch. You have a table, remote for the TV. Across you have your desk with some nice lighting all the way around for your vanity, which is very cool. You have a phone directory, a notepad. They just called about our brunch because we did the dining package. Room service breakfast. This is our daily. They do not have an app. So if you want to get the schedules, menus, and things, you get this. This is basically just going to give you standard things to download, PDFs, etc. So, and then we have our schedule here, which is great. The only problem, they only have one household outlet in the entire stateroom. They do have some by the bed, we'll get over that, but that is not household. This is the only household outlet in the entire stateroom. So bring an extension cord, power strip, etc. We have our hair dryer here. And we have 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 4 drawers for more hors d'oeuvres. Then we have a trash can and a nice little bench. Seems good and on theme. Of course, here is your cooler. Not really a refrigerator, but a little cooler. Lots of space, again, keeping the theme. A good sized TV, an ice bucket, which is pretty cool. You have water and stuff as well. And then we have some more storage here, which is nice. Now, I am sailing with Facebook Jason, and they put our beds together, so we need to rectify that. Because as much as I love him, I don't want to be cuddling with him. So, moving on towards the bed, we do have these lights, and they do actually have a USB-A and a USB-C, which is very, very nice. You have some storage, nice big bed, obviously across from the TV we saw. On the other side, same thing. Nice storage. The light with both USB-A and USB-C, so that's on both of the lights. Very, very cool. And then the Breezy bit of the Breezy balcony bit. A nice balcony. We are currently in the Port of Tampa, and this is Tampa right here. That is the Florida Aquarium. I went there so much as a kid. And then someone over there is where my sister works in Channelside. Shout out Christy. Yeah, it's very interesting. So that is Terminal 3. That's where you usually go out of Tampa. So you have the parking lot there and then the parking garage across the way. But this is Terminal 6. So we tried to park here, but there wasn't any space. So we ended up having to park over there, somewhere over there, in a day parking bit. So yeah, so that is Breezy Balcony 7278. If you want to see a full daily vlog series, or if you want to check out some of the food reviews that I do, I will leave a link to a playlist, and that playlist is going to have everything Margaritaville at Sea Islander that I get to on these 4 days. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.